Hello, hello, hello. It is just Crafty Chantel, and I'm here to do part 2 of my demo with the Gemini Cut and Emboss folders. You saw in part 1, we used the heart folder to create this beautiful heart die with flower embellishments. And so now in part 2, we're going to use the rectangle die. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This time we're going to use a 4x6-ish cardstock. I think it's actually 4.25 by 5 3/4. So we will cut our base paper out 4 1/4 and 5 3/4. Perfect. And let's just go ahead and secure that so it's less pieces of paper floating around on our table. Perfect. Okay, next up we are going to cut out our rectangle shape. And again, we want the cut side, we want the cut side to go down into the color side of our fabric. I'm sorry, our cardstock. And we're going to run that through the Gemini Midi with only the plastic shim because we don't want it to be too thick, because too thick of a sandwich won't go through. There we go. And you want to keep these excess pieces because they're perfectly cut and you can use them for other things. So now we have our frame layer and we want a white square to go in the middle. So I'm just going to take this cardstock. Actually, I'll cut the whole thing and then I'll have a bonus white plus a white square, which is what I need for this project. Waste no cardstock. So we'll put that off to the side as our bonus piece. And now we have white to go in the center. So what do we need next? We need our sentiment. This is going to be an anniversary card. So I'm going to use this happy anniversary sentiment from the Crafter's Companion Garden of Love collection. So it'll fit right in there. And we will cut that on a small piece of pink cardstock that we have around. Oh no, actually I think we'll do pink and then we'll do gold and then we'll decide which one we like the best. So there we have pink, and let's just try it on gold cardstock as well, and then we can decide which one we love. So if you'll notice here, we have gold in the background paper. So there's the pink and there's the gold. And the pearl paper also has a gold hue. I think I'm going to keep it soft and go with the pink. So let's just zoom in and go ahead and assemble our card. We've already put down our card base. We'll add our pink frame. On second thought, let's do a foam backing and elevate that. There you go. And then we'll use our dotty tape pen for our words, being very careful not to tear them. Now we also have some pink pearls that we can add as accents. Come on, guy. Okay, there we go. So let's see if we want to actually do that. Maybe in the four corners, or maybe just dot, dot, dot across the bottom. I think I'm gonna, so let's just go ahead and add these gemstones. There we go. Now we have our second card using the Crafter's Companion Cut and Emboss folders. Right here, 1 and 2. If you enjoyed this demo, please like and subscribe, and we will continue to do more demos for you. Thank you very much and have a great day.